For a basket weave taping for an ankle inversion sprain, I have prepped the athlete in dorsiflexion and placed my heel and lace pads with lube to prevent any friction and blistering caused from the tape. I'm now placing my pre-wrap in a figure 8 pattern, avoiding any wrinkling. I am then going to apply my first proximal anchor, avoiding that muscle belly at the back. I'm placing a second one, overlapping by half. I'm then going to place a distal anchor, avoiding that 5th metatarsal. For an ankle inversion sprain, I'm going to apply my first stirrup, immediately pulling the ankle into eversion. And follow that with a horseshoe anchor to keep the tape ends in place. And applying a second stirrup, moving from the front, going over that medial malleoli, over the lateral, and finishing in the back. And repeating my horseshoe anchor. And placing my third stirrup, moving from the back, over the malleoli, and finishing in the front. I'm then going to place a figure 8 to limit plantar flexion, starting over the laces, moving laterally around the Achilles and finishing where I started, and repeating that same process again in the same direction to limit inversion and eversion. Next, for the limitation of inversion and eversion, I am going to place my heel locks, starting at the laces, wrapping around the Achilles and finishing where I started. And again, repeating in the opposite direction. Next, I'm going to repeat my proximal anchor as well as the distal anchor to keep the tape from slipping. The anchors are added after inspecting for windows. The windows are closed to prevent any blistering and cuts from the tape. And then I'm going to check for capillary refill as well as functionality and effectiveness of the taping.